Hello friends, you're watching TNLS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to turn on and turn off auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition, first of all just open notification bar and go to settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.